I know that early on in the setup, as Rachel was learning and as we were learning at the same time, there were some miscues or some responses that Rachel would provide that didn't quite answer what the customer was asking. And the customer would be like, I saw one that was like, "Are you kidding me?" As though they really thought that Rachel was a person that was just asking this question that was inane. And so I knew I could see that the person was like, who is this rep that I'm talking to on the phone, not realizing that it was a bot. So I chuckled because of that, because that's just
Yep.
part of the ramp up and the adjustment to the way that it worked. Really fast. I mean, we were hyper vigilant over the first couple of weeks at what the customer interactions were. So where I was looking at as many of the kind of customer interactions as possible so that I could see if there were any patterns or if there was something that was so out of line that it needed to be addressed. And there really weren't. I mean, Rachel did a pretty good job. There was some fine tuning that we expected that was addressed right away.